I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello and welcome back to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. If you'd like to donate towards this channel or another channel you enjoy, try looking us up on Patreon. I even have a link in the description. This week I want to talk about order of operations. By that I mean, in what order should I cut the parts for a project? It might seem pretty straightforward, but after looking at this bottle opener as it was originally drawn up, I would have to make extra adjustments to my saws to cut out the 6 pieces needed. The materials for this bottle opener have been laying on my bench for a few months. It's been a combination of wanting to do other videos first and not wanting to make this bottle opener video at all. But I knew I'd be making it eventually, so every now and then I'd revisit the drawing I made in MS Paint. Originally I was going to rip the board to width, then use the radial arm saw to cut off parts A and B. Next I would rip the board again and cut out 2 parts for C. Then cut out part D and fit it into the bottom. Part E would just be some scrap. Part 1, the bottle opener, is made out of steel. By changing the drawing slightly, I could save a few steps and make mass producing this item later much easier. I'll start by ripping the boards to width, cut out A, B, and D, make the second rip cut, and cut out both parts for C. E is still scrap wood. As I'm only making one of these, I don't mind some scrap from this single board. But if I were making a larger run, I would take the time to lay out the cuts even more precisely to minimize the scrap and maximize my output. As I said before, this is a relatively simple project made even simpler with a little forward thinking. Thanks for watching.